Hey, you guys, I wanted to come and open up this real quick. This is the Miniverse Making Mini Food Series 2 Wave 2. I'm not going to make it, but I'm going to open it. Let's see what's in it together. Okay, let's see which one we got, you guys. Cream, lemon. I hope this ain't the same one that I had already opened. I think this might be. Whipped cream, I'm guessing. Here are these. I don't think I got these. I think this is new. Yes, it is. Some lemon. Hold on. This is what we got, you guys. Lemon tarts. This is what we got.